What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm not doing any more wig reviews because I cut my hair. I'm just playing. I'm doing a wig review today on this wig sent over by Outre. This is the style LUXY, y'all, and she's a pixie cut, and she's synthetic, and she's under $40. So I was trying to challenge myself with like getting a pixie cut and getting something different. So we're here. We're at LUXY. We are here. I'm gonna show you guys how I put this wig on. She's really cute. She's really cute. She's really simple. But I do have some things to tell y'all about this wig. Just about the install. So you might want to watch the whole thing. Before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And let's just go ahead and jump. So Miss LUXY is from the Outre Perfect Hairline collection. I have the color number 2. She's really cute and short. It's a 13x4 lace frontal. You're gonna get your 2 combs and your 1 standard in the back. You also get that elastic band if you want to do it glueless. This is what she's looking up against my skin. Definitely have to tint that lace. So I was just feeling out this wig. She's cute, something I never did before, you know, had to fill her out a little bit. So I went ahead and matched the lace with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. You can use lace tint spray or makeup. After I use the powder, I like to go in with a little bit of bedhead just to kind of secure the powder. So I was looking at the hairline and it was looking a little dense. It was looking a little boxy. So I decided to go ahead and tweeze it up a little bit. I have a whole video on how to do it, but these are the products you use, and voila, looking a little bit more natural. Check that video out in the cards if you need help. So I went ahead and cut the lace off my head while it was on the mannequin. I like to go in with an eyebrow razor because it creates more of a jagged edge. So this is the final product. Well, not final, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. This is what she's looking like on my head. So now I'm going to go ahead and secure this wig. I go in with a little bit of rubbing alcohol just because I already had makeup on my forehead, and I like to use my Ebin adhesive spray. This is not glue. This is just a wig adhesive. So I'm going to secure this wig with this red can at first. So it was a little bit of a struggle, but I recommend you go in sections. I started with the front to secure it. This part wasn't hard at all to secure. It was more of the sides. The sides kind of had an angle and the lace was a little bit shorter, and it didn't help that the hair was short, so it was kind of hard for me to pull the wig down. But I'll show you what the lace is looking like when I mean it's shorter on the sides. So I started with, like, again, going in sections and using the red can and trying to secure her down. And you know, I thought it would be fine, but it was just hard to pull down, and then it just kept rising up. But what I noticed is that on the sides, guys, the lace is a little bit shorter, so it's not that much lace to secure the wig. So I think that's why I was kind of having a struggle, and I was getting frustrated, y'all. I was getting so frustrated, but I left all these parts in because I wanted to show y'all how hard it was. So I decided to go in with my black can and my Got To Be glue on the side because that's a little firmer of a hold, and the angle of the wig, it's like it didn't come straight down, it angled like backwards. So I made sure the side was really tacky. You want to make sure it's really tacky before you put it on. I think that's why I struggled. But y'all see this lace on the side, how short it is? That's what I was talking about, of why it was frustrating and I couldn't do it. So I finally got her on, going with an elastic band. It's going to help for more melting, and we finally got her together. So of course, because of all that adhesive I put on there, I got a lot of residue. So I'm just breaking it up here, and I wanted to show you guys how much residue I got, but it's okay. Once you go in and you break it up with your comb, make sure you hold the lace and break it up, and then you go in with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. It's gonna come right up, but it definitely was a lot of residue on this wig, so I had to get her together so we ain't have to look like we had dandruff. So now I'm matching the lace some more of what got rubbed off with the foundation that was left on my brush, and a little bit of my contour just to kind of match it to my complexion. I wasn't sure if I wanted to go in with baby hairs and how I was gonna wear this wig. Me and this wig, we was fighting all day, y'all, but we finally got her together. She's so cute, I just couldn't give up. So I didn't go in with baby hairs. I left that alone, and I decided to kind of let the wig flow because it has a really nice flow, which I'll explain later. The layers are nice. I didn't know what I wanted to do. Do I want to do a swoop? Don't want to wear her backwards. We were going through it, but it came together. Y'all stay tuned. But I finally just went with the layers that came in it because it was beautiful layers. And I also like all this parting space. You got a lot of nice parting space in this wig. And I just went ahead and did a swoop and some hair back, and she finally came together. So just play with it and decide what kind of style you want to go. You know, if you want to do the swoop in the front or wear her back, you know, it'll come together. It's a nice flowy wig, but I'm gonna wrap it all up with my final thoughts in a bit. Okay, my friends, so I am finished putting on this wig. What an install for $35. Woo! So this wig was sent over by Outre. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So this is the Outre Perfect Hairline wig, and I have the style LUXY. I have the color number 2. She is giving me grown and sexy. So this is a 13x4 lace frontal. This is a synthetic wig. This is a pixie cut wig. You can get this wig in many other colors. You can get red velvet, golden honey, ginger, coffee cream. It's a lot of other pretty colors in this wig. So initially I was just gonna do like a slow-mo and talk this video through, but I just wanted to come and talk to y'all real quick. So this wig is super cute. It's not much to do to her. So this wig comes with a lot of nice pretty layers. It's like this nice feathered bang in the front hair, grown and sexy. You can put her back like that and kind of do something, but you know, I'm just gonna do, I don't know what I'm doing. I had her in position right here. I think I like something like that. So I'm loving this bang right here. You're gonna get this nice tapered cut going all the way around. She's short, not much to do to her, right? So as cute as this wig is and as affordable as this wig is, I thought this wig was going to be super easy to install because she's short, she's cute, she's pixie, you know, she's giving the boss vibes. My gripe with this wig is, I don't know if it's because it's a 13x4 lace frontal, but it was really short. The front fit really nice, but then the sides were really short. It was like, it didn't come down like this. It came down and it went back. So therefore, I kind of was struggling a little bit with putting this wig on because it kept sliding back. So I had to go in and secure this wig with my adhesive. At first I was going in with the red can, but it kept sliding. So I went in with my black can and I went in with the gel on the side. Now the lace was really short on the side, so I don't know if that's kind of why I was struggling a little bit. I didn't have much to like secure the wig to my head. So the lace is really short on the side. Keep that in mind. At first I was like, I'm gonna rock this wig all week at work. Susan from HR is gonna be like, did you cut your hair? Yes, I did. I cut my hair during the holiday, okay? But I don't know how I'm feeling. I like her, but she is synthetic, so keep that in mind. So when you sleep in her, synthetic wigs do what synthetic wigs do. They're gonna tangle. Mind you, right now she's not tangling. She's short. That's really good. But, you know, sleeping in her, she might get a little frayed. But I do like the texture on this. It's silky. It's reminding me like a silky human hair body wave unit. And I mean, if you want to experiment with cutting your hair, get a wig and see how it's looking on you, because this is looking right. I am seriously looking like a boss.
I'm the CEO.
I feel like a boss in this wig. She is so cute, but like I said, it was kind of a struggle to put her on. It does say that this wig is pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck up this wig because I wasn't sure if I wanted to go in with baby hairs. You guys saw I was struggling a little bit, but I feel like if you want to kind of swoop your hair back and not have baby hairs, you kind of need to pluck it a little bit because it does appear a little bit too straight, you know, if you do use the hot comb and push the hair back. But if you go on with baby hairs, you know, you probably can get away with not plucking it. But overall, this wig is super cute. Like, she's really cute. And for under $40, I think she's a winner if this is the style you're looking for. So I'm not sure what you're looking for, but she's cute. She's a cute pixie cut. I just didn't like that it took me a while to install this wig. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This wig was the shortest and easiest to style wig I have ever put on, but the most difficult to install in a while because of how short it was. I had to keep pulling her down and hold her and use the blow dryer and blow her. But I mean, if they add a little bit more lace and bring it down a little bit more, I think this will be like a total winner. But I think she's cute. I think she's cute. She gets the job done, and I love these layers in here. Like, look at this. And you can wear her different ways. You can just wear her like straight back like that. Like, come on now.
Boss is back, baby.
You can part her anywhere you like. I'm really loving the way this wig is flowing. It's flowing really nicely. I probably need to go in with some heat to put this part down a little bit, but I didn't feel like doing anything else. As y'all can see, I kind of gave up. I was over it. I'm not gonna lie, I was over it. My family's coming home soon and I was over it. I do need to go in with a little bit of heat. Let me stop being lazy, y'all. I didn't want to put any heat because I wanted it to flow the way the wig is supposed to flow. You see how it's kind of like doing its own little thing? I just don't want to be fixing it. Oh, that's cute right there. That's cute. I'm not adding any heat. I changed my mind, y'all. I think the way the wig is flowing, you could get away with not doing any heat. Y'all let me know. Comment below if you think heat or no heat. I don't know. Maybe just a little bit. Look at these layers in this wig. Oh, she's so cute. Look at that. Look at that bang, y'all. Do y'all see that bang? Oh, she is cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Drop some comments down below. Talk to me. Would you rock this wig or not? Or, you know, is she cute? Is she your style? But yeah, that's about it. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.